Binance is one of the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ, the platform has quickly risen to prominence due to its user-friendly interface, extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, and various trading options. Binance offers both basic and advanced trading features, making it suitable for both newcomers to the cryptocurrency space and experienced traders. Here's a basic introduction to Binance. Registration. To start using Binance, you need to create an account on their platform. Visit the Binance website and sign up by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Verification. Binance follows a Know Your Customer (KYC) process for identity verification, especially if you plan to use higher withdrawal limits. You'll need to provide some personal information and documentation to complete this process. Security. Binance places a strong emphasis on security. They offer features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to enhance account security. It's recommended to enable 2FA using an authentication app for an extra layer of protection. Funding your account. After verification, you can fund your Binance account with cryptocurrencies or fiat currency, depending on your region. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies for deposits. Trading. Binance provides two main trading interfaces, Basic and Advanced. The Basic interface is designed for beginners and offers a simplified trading experience. The Advanced interface offers more advanced tools and options for experienced traders. Market orders and limit orders. Binance allows you to place different types of orders. A market order buys or sells at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Cryptocurrency pairs. Binance offers a vast array of cryptocurrency pairs for trading. You can trade major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and others against various altcoins. Fees. Binance charges trading fees for each trade you execute on their platform. The fees vary based on whether you're a maker, adding liquidity to the market, or a taker, removing liquidity from the market. Withdrawals. You can withdraw your cryptocurrencies from Binance to an external wallet. Keep in mind that there are withdrawal fees associated with different cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance has its native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, BNB. It's used to pay for trading fees on the platform, participate in token sales on Binance Launchpad and more. Binance Academy and support. Binance offers educational resources through its Binance Academy to help users understand various aspects of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and trading.